Howdy, I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. We are back out in the warehouse and we're going to be talking about a Pentair water valve. This one in particular is the 2-inch 2-port water valve. So we have a lot of these in stock. This needs to be 2 ports in your swimming pool. So this is not a convertible item, but if you already have a 2-inch 2-port valve, you can definitely install this instead of just replacing individual lids, gear kits, parts like that. If you get a whole new valve back there, you're going to be happy for a really long time. Let's get past all this packaging here. So here is the valve itself. It looks just like any ordinary low-profile 2-inch valve. However, you only have 2 ports. So there's a specific cam in here that allows one of these to open at a time, and it just rotates back and forth as the water comes in. The other 4 have been deleted, so you just have the 2 ports on this 2-port 2-inch water valve. So we have lots of them in stock. You can find them at 2710 West Bell or online at ePoolSupply.com. I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. We'll see you guys in the next video.
Hey guys, thanks for checking out ePoolSupply's YouTube channel. Hit that like and subscribe button down below, and we got new content coming out every single week. Come visit us in store or online at ePoolSupply.com. Thank you.